today we're going to IKEA. It's going to be Paris' first time at IKEA. My second. Last week was my first time, and I didn't get to explore like I wanted to. So we're about to go explore. And what are we going to do, baby? Window shop. Okay, so as I stated before, last week was my first time at IKEA, but I didn't get to explore like I wanted to because I was with the bae and he didn't seem too into it, so I didn't want to torture him. So I'm back this week with my daughter Paris. And we both like the window shop. I really like this piece. I really like a lot of the pieces with the glass inserts. I was speaking so lowly in the store that the audio is pretty horrible. So hopefully the voiceover works. I was thinking about this piece as a console table behind my couch in my family room in a different color. Thought that basket was cute. I really love that light fixture. I like that color. That's a very cool color. I did like that throw. Now, I would really think about replacing the little tired looking thing that I have in my front room with this. This is boring. I like this piece. Miss Vanna White. Should've give it to me good like that. Should've hit it like that. And me yelling like that. Don't you know you would've had me coming back? You the one that I'm feeling. You the one that I'm loving. Ain't no I'm a huge DIYer when it comes to wall art, especially large pieces of wall art. And this is a great idea. Just take a cool printed piece of fabric and this $40 frame, and there you go. Like that looks so awesome. I really like the fact that it's black and white too. I would totally do this in my house. Okay, honestly, I don't know if I would have the guts to do the emerald green cabinetry in my kitchen, but oh my God, this is gorgeous to me. I love the gold knobs and pulls against the emerald green. I love it. I definitely would do those acrylic chairs in my dining room. With the sheepskin throw over the acrylic chairs, woo, that would be too cute. Back when I go running, trying to get away from loving it. Yeah, you know how to love me hard. I won't lie, I'm falling hard. Yep, I'm falling for you, but there's nothing wrong with that. You the one. I want that bed, and I want that. Oh, you like the bed, the pull-out bed? What you up to? Who does she think she is? And this gave me a lot of inspiration for my closet whenever I redo it. I definitely want to get the IKEA units. Baby, come tell the sweetest touch. I'm so happy you came in my life. Cause you know how to give me that. You know how to put me back when I go run and try to get.
And they had the duvet covers with the pillow sham for only $4.99. I definitely got one of those for Paris.
But there's nothing wrong with that. You the one. You the one that I think about always. You are the one, so I make sure I behave. My love is your love is my love. You the one that I dream about.
I like the idea of the cowhide rug on top of another rug. I like that layering effect with the cowhide rug. That would be really cool. I don't know about those colors though.
That's what happens, baby. When you put it down, you should've give it to me good like that. Should've hit it like that, and me yelling like that. Don't you know you would've had me coming back? You the one that I'm feeling, you the one that I'm loving. Ain't no other girl just like you. It's just one.
And I saw another YouTuber that I watch with those wall art lights, and I definitely want to try that in my family room. I like that. Grabbed a couple of those jars to show off decor. They were only like $7.99 and $4.99, so that wasn't too bad. And we brought home an aloe vera plant, and last week I got I don't even know what that plant is called. All I know is that it looks thick. I really like how the trunk of the plant looks. Yeah, so hopefully I don't kill them. Well, that's the end. Thanks for watching. Until next time, peace out. Did you enjoy your first experience at IKEA?
Yes, I
We have items. We did a horrible job
at window shop.
at window shopping.